Hi to everyone. Hope you are doing good. So, in this video, we will discuss one problem related to direct form 2 structure. Okay. So, realize the second order system. This is your difference equation. Okay. So, you have to draw the direct form 2 structure. So, for this difference equation. Okay. So, you have to write the given difference equation. Okay, the first step is after writing the given difference equation, you have to separate out the output terms and input terms separately. Y of z is the output terms, x of z is the input term, right? So here this one and see here, uh, here actually they have combined both the outputs and input equation. Just you have to separate the output terms and input terms equation as a separate. See here, I have taken this term and this term in the left hand side. I have retained the input terms at the right hand side. So that is the first step, right? So after separating the input and output terms, we have to separate the common terms. Here the common term in the left hand side equation, that is output in the output equation, y of z. So just I have removed the common term y of z at the output at the LHS side. So then the equation becomes like this. Similarly, I have removed the common term x of z and the input equation is look like this. After that, you have to arrange this equation like this. So you have to write the transfer function, that is h of z is equal to y of z divided by x of z. So if you are doing the cross multiplication, right, x of z should be multiplied with 1 minus or cos omega naught z to the z inverse. Similarly, y of z is multiplied with 1 minus 2 or cos omega naught z to the power of minus 1 plus r square z to the power of minus 2. Again, you will get this equation. Okay, after that, the this is the first step, this is the second step. The third step is you have to multiply and divide the term w of z, okay, at both the numerator and denominator. Then you will get two equation, right? So the first you will take any one of the equation. There is no restriction. Okay, first you will take this term. Okay, so y of z divided by w of z, right? So here as I said before, w of z value is 1, right? This value is 1. So then this in this ratio, so this value becomes 1. So y of z divided by w of z, the equation is 1 minus r cos omega naught z inverse. Okay, just you have to do cross multiplication. Okay, after doing this, you will get this equation. Then you have to convert the z transform equation into discrete time equation. So you know very well how to convert z transform to discrete time equation. Y of z means y of n is equal to w of n minus, here the delay element is 1 z to the power of minus 1, then it becomes w of n minus 1, right? It becomes w of n minus 1. So minus r cos omega naught, so w of n minus 1. That's all. Now we have to take the second term equation, w of z divided by x of z. Using this, ratio w of z divided by x of z, then here the numerator value becomes 1, right? Then this denominator value retains, denominator equation retains like this. See here, we will check whether what I said it is correct or not. See here, so the numerator value is 1. So here we have retained the denominator equation. Here we have not changed anything, just we have to do cross multiplication. Okay, we have to do cross multiplication. After doing the cross multiplication, so we have to arrange like this, right? So x of z is equal to w of z 1 minus 2r cos omega naught z to z inverse minus r square z to the power of minus 2. This is the second equation. Just we have to convert again z transform to discrete time equation. As I said before, x of n is equal to w of n minus 2r cos omega naught w of n minus 1 plus r square w of n minus 2. Just again you have to rearrange this equation like this. Here w of n is my output, w of n is my output, and the remaining terms are my input. Okay, you have to arrange like this. Just I have taken this I have retained w of n at RHS side. Then you have to transfer these terms in the left hand side, and vice versa, it is up to you. So you will get this equation. So by using this equation, I will write the first half of the direct form to structure. See here, w of n is my output, right? So this is my output, x of n is my input. So I have to combine this term with the x of n. So we have only we are adding this to this element. Why we are not performing subtraction is we have only adder elements. So that's why we are taking this minus symbol in the value itself. So here we are using adder elements, so we are taking this minus symbol with the value itself. Okay, might be you will get this question in your mind, that's why just I am clarifying this doubt. Okay, so we have adder element, we don't have subtract element, so that's why. So we are taking this minus symbol with this value minus 2 or cos omega naught. Okay, so this is w of n minus 1, right? This is w of n, right? So just I have to add one element, delay element z inwards, then the output becomes w of n minus 1, right? Then this arrow marks are very very important while writing the structure. Okay, see here, this is x of n. I am adding this w of n minus 1 with the minus 2r cos omega naught. This is the coefficients of w of n minus 1. This product I am adding this with the x of n. So here I am adding, right? So x of n, there is a two terms, x of n minus 2r cos omega naught w of n minus 1. Okay, ma'am, we can add directly like this. Why we are using this another delay element? Because I have one more term, w of n minus 2. That's why I need this adder element. Okay, if you don't have this element means you can directly add without using this adder element. You can directly add with this element. Okay, so the third element is w of n minus 2 r square, right? So I have added all the two terms with the x of n. So the first half of the structure is completed. So I have to write the second half of the structure. direct form to structure is this one. Y of n is my output. These are my input. So again, I am not taking the W of n as a separate, just anyway we have to combine that element. So again, I will take directly from this one only W of n, this output is W of n minus 1, right? See here. So I have to add this minus r cos omega naught, minus r cos omega naught. This one W of n I am adding directly with this adder element. This is my second term. So the output of y of n is W of n plus W of minus r cos omega naught to W of n minus 1. This is the final direct form to structure. This structure is very easy when compared to cascade and parallel structure. Direct form 1 also is very easy. Direct form 1, direct form 2 structures are very easy to draw when compared to cascade and parallel. Okay, see here I will show you the simple how to write. While seeing this equation, we can possible to draw the structure, even direct form 1 and direct form 2 structure also. I have not explained in my previous video. So without doing these procedures, without following this procedure, while seeing this equation itself, we can easily draw the structure. I will explain you how to write that structure without following the procedure. See here, this is your structure, equation, right? Function, transfer function. Okay, see here, just while seeing this transfer function, we can able to write the structure. How it is possible? See here. Um, See here, this equation exists in the first half of the structure. This equation exists at the second half of the structure. See here, this is second half of numerator equation. This is our denominator equation, right? See here, numerator, denominator. 1 minus 2r cos omega naught z minus 1 plus z to the power of minus 2 is the denominator equation. This is the numerator equation. See here. So in the direct form 2 structure, delay element exists at the center, adder elements exist at the side. Okay, so this is z to the power of minus 1. So w naught n minus 1 to r. So this one is directly x of n is directly added with the adder elements, right? So the second term is w of n minus 1 to r cos omega naught, right? This is my second term. So here I have minus symbol, right? So that becomes here minus 2r cos omega naught. Again, next one is plus r square z minus 2, w of n minus 2 r square, right? Here I will get w of n minus 2 r square. Here no need to change the signs, so we have to retain like this. In the denominator equation, this is numerator equation, right? In the numerator equation, what is that? So again, here we have to combine w of n, it is a w of n minus 1, right? We have to add with the y of z, right? This is y of n output. W of n is combined with minus r cos omega naught. See, minus r cos omega naught. Here also no need to change the equation. We have to write directly as it is without changing the equation. Right? Minus r cos omega naught. See, this is direct. W of n is the added element, that is 1. This is W of n. Here also this is W of n. W of n, this is W of n minus 1 minus r cos omega naught. W of n minus 1, right? Minus r cos omega. We can write the directly, we can draw the structure, direct form to structure directly while using, by seeing this transfer function. No need to follow these procedures. So because in your exam you have to follow the procedure, without the steps they won't give marks. Just follow the procedure, just in order to verify, just what I said, what I have explained in this video, just follow that procedure, okay, in order to verify. I hope you will understand this problem. So how to draw the structure, okay. um, uh, the shortcut ideas and all you will I think you will you are able to understand. Might be it will be very useful for your exam. If you don't have time, you can apply this shortcut. If you like this video, kindly subscribe my channel, like my video, and share my channel with your friends. Thank you very much. We will see in the next video with a new topic, with a new excitement. Okay. Thank you. Bye bye.